Struggling with bad breath? While gum is a common go-to, there are other effective options. Cucumber serves as a natural and efficient solution. Like gum, it boosts saliva production, but its high water content also helps cleanse lingering food particles and prevents dry mouth, a major contributor to odor. Around 4,000 years ago, umbrellas made their debut, initially reserved for women and serving as both a sunshade and a fashion statement. It wasn't until the mid-18th century that men were permitted to utilize them. Today's water-resistant versions evolved from these early designs. You might think yawning is a sign of boredom or fatigue, but it's actually a myth. Yawning tends to occur more frequently later in the day, helping your body stay alert by inhaling cool air and stretching muscles to cool the brain. Interestingly, researchers correlate brain sizes in various animal species with the duration of their yawns. The bigger the brain, the longer the yawn. How long do you yawn? Regularly playing video games? It boosts gray matter in the brain, enhancing brain connectivity related to muscle control, memory, perception, and spatial navigation. An experiment at a New York medical center revealed that surgeons who played 3 hours of video games made 37% fewer mistakes and worked 27% faster compared to non-gaming doctors. Women possess a higher number of taste buds compared to men. Approximately 35% of women are classified as super tasters, while only 15% of men fall into this category. Interestingly, more women tend to favor pineapple on their pizza. But hey, no need to get triggered if you have a different opinion. Cicadas are some of the biggest flying insects around. Most are pretty average, only about 1 to 2 inches long. But there's one called the Empress cicada that stands out. It's about 3 inches long, and its wingspan is a whopping 8 inches. That's a seriously big bug. Not all goats peacefully graze on meadow grass. Some prefer climbing trees for food, like Moroccan goats. This unique phenomenon is found only in North Africa. They're more attracted to argan tree fruits than regular grass, and it's understandable. Those fruits look just like golden apples. These goats are quite agile, easily climbing trees to reach the juicy treats. Now it's time for a little riddle. What's the surprising connection between peanut butter and an engagement ring? Both of them contain diamonds. Scientists have found a way to turn peanut butter into diamonds by extracting oxygen from CO2, obtaining carbon, and applying intense pressure. It's a fascinating process that turns a common pantry item into a valuable gemstone. Amazing, isn't it? Pufferfish, also known as blowfish, are renowned for 2 distinctive traits. Firstly, their tendency to become a sort of balloon by inflating themselves, a survival mechanism in the wild. However, despite being inedible, they're not entirely unpalatable even when deflated. Their poison is over 1,000 times more potent than cyanide, making them a formidable foe. Unfortunately, antidotes remain elusive, leaving us with little hope for a quick remedy. The tongue map suggests distinct areas for different tastes, but recent studies refute this idea. While taste buds may specialize in detecting certain flavors, every part of the mouth is sensitive to all tastes. Chameleons don't alter their colors to blend in with their surroundings out of preference. Instead, factors like mood, temperature, and light exposure influence their coloration. When chameleons relax, the cells containing crystals within them shift, affecting their hue. These reptiles use their coloration, including darker shades, as a means of communication, signaling their mood. So watch out for those grumpy chameleons. Turkeys exhibit blushing similar to humans, indicating emotions such as anger, excitement, or discomfort. This reaction causes their necks and heads to redden, mirroring human blushing responses. Is it a myth or a fact that your thigh bone can withstand thousands of pounds of force? It's indeed a fact. While commonly referred to as the thigh bone, its proper name is the femur bone, situated in the upper part of your leg. Experts confirm its remarkable strength, ranking it among the 2 sturdiest bones in our body. The other is the temporal bone of the skull, in case you were curious. Remarkably, a femur bone can support up to 30 times your body weight. This resilience could be attributed to its status as the longest and largest bone in the human body. Thanks for tuning in to Curiosity Vista. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world around you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, keep feeding your curiosity.